Hello there, welcome back. Today we are going to learn musical instruments. Flute, guitar, tambourine, trombone, trumpet, clarinet, saxophone, accordion, violin, piano, drums, cello, maracas. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe.